Hey y'all, it's Rini, and today we're going to be taking a look at the McDonald's BT21 Happy Meal collaboration. BTS is going to be headed back to the States here pretty soon, but before they hit the East Coast, the BT21 crew is going to be hanging out with us for a little while at McDonald's. So let's check out this meal, see what comes with it, check out the toy, and I also went to a couple of McDonald's to answer the question if each McDonald's has different toys or if it's the same one each week. So before we open this up, let's take a look at the box and then we'll see what's inside of it. The box is pretty simple. It's just got this one big beautiful image on the front of the whole gang in their little spaceship. And then on the side, they have Van flying through space. And you can kind of see there's some planets in there too. And then on the other side, you have the little heart Saturn. And then this image with the scan to dance QR code that looks like it links to a little game with the BT21 members doing a little dancing rhythm game. And then the back is just normal Happy Meal smiley thing. So that's it. Beautiful bright art. Let's see what's inside the box. There's no special food for this collaboration. It's just normal Happy Meal food, so you can order whatever you want as far as Happy Meal items. I just got the fries and the nuggets, but here's the thing we actually care about here, and it's the toy box. So these ones are not blind boxes. It'll show on the sides here what character you get. We'll take a look at that last for a surprise. But Happy Meal smiley on front. This has that same scan to play QR code. This has the Happy Meal logo B221. And then this shows all of the different options that you can get. So there's Koya, RJ, and Shuki, and then Meng, Chimmy, Tata, Cookie, Van, and then the last one is all of them together in the little spaceship. So that's all the options. And the one we've gotten here is RJ. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. That's nice and eco-friendly. It's tissue paper instead of plastic. Here he is. He's pretty good size. You can see he fits in my hand pretty well. Here's all the way around. I love RJ. I think he's probably my second favorite BT21 member after Meng. And then the last thing here is he's got his little McDonald's hook here, and if you push it down, then he can blast off and fly around in space. Yay, space, whee! And then you can pull it back up and it goes back down, and the nice part about that, it means you can actually make it sit on things instead of it just rolling around all over the place. So it's really cute. I dig it. And then the secondary question here is, cool, so I got RJ here, but if you go to any McDonald's, are you gonna get RJ? To answer that, I went to a whole separate McDonald's and ordered a different Happy Meal. And to answer the question, I got Koya there, which means that rumors are correct. If you go to different McDonald's, you will get different characters. So I think the best thing to do here is just call around and see who has what. You can open him up. And there he is. Look at that cute little guy. Oh yeah. Also one of my faves. begin. Blast off. And then you can get them both going. You're like, yeah, what up? And then if I'm 5-year-olds, I'm like, yay, fight, fight, fight. And if I'm like, I don't know, 18, 19-year-olds, I'm like, kiss, kiss. And that's how shipping wars happen, friends. But yeah, so these are the toys that I have so far. I'll have to work to collect the rest of them. I'm not sure if you have to do anything special or if there's anything special about getting that final one with all of them in the spaceship, or if it's just a random release like everything else. But until then, happy hunting, everyone. I hope you all are able to find and enjoy the characters that you like best. Let me know in the comments which characters you've been able to get so far, and if you've had similar luck with finding different characters in different stores, or if, you know, one store has multiple characters. I haven't actually checked for that yet, so that's another thing to kind of investigate here. But until next time, take care, y'all.